welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. So in today's video I'm going to share with you my top 5 recipes for when I don't have much time. So each of these recipes takes 30 minutes or less to prepare and can be used for meal prep. So I love recipes that keep well at least for a few days so that I can use it for lunch and then maybe dinner the following day, just so that I have meals on hand ready to go so I don't have to be cooking a big meal every day. Nevertheless, these meals only take less than 30 minutes, so if you don't have much time and you want to get a nutritious, healthy meal into your diet, try one of these out. Honestly, these are all go-tos for me. I've made all of these recipes multiple times because they taste amazing, they're highly nutritious, and they're pretty simple to make. So if you're new here, I would love it if you could hit that subscribe button down below, and also click the bell notification button if you want to be notified every time I post a new video, which is mostly every Wednesday and Sunday, with one a week being a longer style video and one a week being a shorter style video. So with all that said, let's jump straight into the recipes. I'll see you guys soon. So the first recipe for today is a Thai curry. So you can just buy Thai curry paste from the supermarket for relatively cheap, probably like around $2. You can get red Thai curry paste, green Thai curry paste, you can get massaman, Penang, whatever type of curry you like, you can buy that paste. And then all you need to get is some fresh vegetables, a source of protein, and some coconut milk, and that's pretty much all you need to make a delicious curry in under 30 minutes. It's honestly so quick and easy. I probably make this maybe once every few weeks when I'm in the mood for a curry because yeah, it's super healthy. You can pack heaps of vegetables in there. You can use whatever protein source you like. Personally, I love using tofu for this kind of dish, but yeah, you can swap that out with whatever you prefer. You could use a substitute from meat. So in the example I've got here, I was using a fake chicken substitute, which worked really well, and it soaked up all the curry flavors and it was spot on. So I highly recommend giving this a go if you haven't already. It's just so quick and easy, so tasty, and you're getting all your great macro and micronutrients in with this one. Next up, we have pasta. So most people love pasta. I love pasta too, but what I try to do is to use a high protein pasta when I'm making pasta these days, just to make sure that I'm getting enough protein into my meal, especially if you're not adding in a source of protein into the sauce. It is really good to use a protein pasta if you enjoy it. If you don't enjoy it, just use regular pasta, whatever you like. But personally, I really like the chickpea casarecce as well as the red lentil pastas and the pulse pasta by San Remo. They are all really good, and they taste really nice. And once you've got a really good sauce, honestly, you mostly taste the sauce anyway. But yeah, I would highly recommend the one that I used in the recipe I'll post up here, which was just my high protein bolognese recipe. That was the chickpea casarecce, I think. Oh no, that was the red lentil pasta. Yeah, but yeah, basically like a lot of them are really good nowadays and they taste amazing, so I would highly recommend trying out one of those high protein pastas. And then the sauce, you can use plant-based mince, or you could use lentils, or you could use really whatever you like. You can experiment with different types of pasta sauces, but yeah, pasta is a go-to for me because it's so quick and easy to make. Probably more like 20 minutes rather than half an hour, and it's great for meal prep. So when I make it, I usually make about 3 or 4 serves, and then I have nice leftovers for the coming days. So yeah, that's a great one. Number 3 today is a stir fry. So my personal favorite, and you've probably seen me make this recipe a couple of times if you've been following me for a while, is a ginger stir fry. I love fresh ginger. I think it just takes a stir fry to the next level, and it's so good. But actually recently I tried out a new recipe which was garlic and pepper stir fry, and that was really good too. So just instead of the ginger, you're using fresh garlic and you're adding in some cracked pepper, and that works well too. But yeah, basically stir fries, again, so quick and easy. You can use whatever veggies you have on hand, or you could even use frozen veggies, which are also super cheap and convenient. And then you can use whatever protein you like, and then you just have to cook up some rice. So honestly, so easy, so quick and delicious. And again, you're getting all those amazing macronutrients from the protein and from the carbs, and then you're using a little bit of oil to cook that, so you're getting some fats in there as well as a range of micronutrients from all the vegetables you're putting in there. So it's a great meal for every day. I love it. Yeah, it's just a go-to for me. On to recipe number 4, and that is lentil dal. So I love lentil dal because it's really only about 4 ingredients that you need, and it tastes so good. So if you get a curry powder from your supermarket, that's basically all you need, with some lentils, some water, and then you can add in whatever other vegetables you want to. So I like adding in onion for like a good flavor hit in there, as well as some tomatoes, and then sometimes I add in some sort of green as well. So either just having like roast broccoli on the side, or adding in some spinach at the end, something like that, just to get those extra greens in. And then again, you just serve it with rice, or you can make something like a homemade naan bread if you have time, but rice is just super quick and easy. It's a great form of carbs, especially if you mix it up and have black rice, or if you have brown rice now and then, just to get some more complex carbs in there. But white rice is also good, and it's super tasty and super quick and easy, and also very cheap to make. Lentils do not cost that much when compared to things like meat, and tofu and tempeh are a little bit pricier than lentils are. So yeah, it's a really affordable one as well. So if you are on a budget, lentil dal is the way to go. So the final recipe, the fifth recipe in this lineup, is a salad slash Buddha bowl. So I often make satay soba noodle salad, which again, if you've watched my channel for a while, you've probably seen that come up a couple of times, because I am still obsessed with it. I still make it every couple of weeks because it's just so good. And I'll link that video down below if you want to check it out, my soba noodle salad recipe. It's so good. But anyway, what I like to do is just basically throw together any leftovers I have. So if I made rice the day before for a different dish and I have leftover rice or quinoa or whatever it is, I'll add that into my bowl. If I made some roast veggies and I have them left over, I'll add that into my bowl. And then whatever other fresh vegetables or salad vegetables that I have, so if I had like lettuce, or if I had avocado, carrots, cabbage, whatever it might be that's in my fridge, I'll just chop it up, chuck it into the bowl. Yeah, it is so versatile when you're making kind of like salad Buddha bowls like that, and you just want to make sure you get a good serve of carbohydrates in there, you get a good serve of protein in there, and you have some healthy fats, which for me mostly is in the form of avocado, because I love avocado, it's so good. And then yeah, you can put whatever sauces on there you like. You can make it like Mexican style and put a little bean mix together, or you could make it more like a poke bowl style and add some kind of like sesame soy dressing on top. There's so many things you can do with it, and it's so versatile, and I just love doing that as a way to use up everything that's in my fridge and in my pantry. And yeah, it's a super great, quick and easy meal, definitely under 30 minutes there, unless you were to say, go and roast some sweet potato, which would take you like 45 minutes or whatever. But I'm more thinking of in terms of if you have leftovers, then you just chuck everything together, add some protein, add some fat, add some sauce, make sure you got your carbs in there, and you are sorted. Quick and easy meal for whatever time of the day. Absolutely love it. Yes, well, that is all for this video. Those are my 5 go-to meals that are healthy, quick, easy, high in protein, high in deliciousness, and you have all your amazing macro and micronutrients in there. So I hope you took some value from this video. I hope it has helped you in some way to just realize that there's so many quick and easy options out there, and prioritizing your health and really putting an effort into preparing your meals is super important for your physical health, but also for your mental health. You really want to be getting some good, healthy, nutritious meals into your diet wherever possible, because that's going to fuel your body to be able to perform at its highest level. When you have the right fuel in your body, you're going to be able to have better energy levels, you're going to be able to sleep better, you're going to be able to just like process things better mentally. So yeah, nutrition is super important, and I really highly recommend learning some new recipes, because if you're stuck in the same rut with different recipes, it can get a bit boring. It can lead you to want to eat out more. So trying some new healthy recipes is always great. I hope you try some of these out, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.